It may look like a mess in here. That's because it is. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve, and I really appreciate you being here. If you're looking for some turbo content, you're in the right place. Unfortunately, it's not going to be the Turbo Civic, which is looking a little neglected right now. It's going to be the Integra. It's been quite the experience justifying all these purchases, but I finally have everything. Intercooler piping kit, there's a turbo down there. The only thing we're waiting on right now from the UPS, and hopefully that'll be here any minute, is my blow-off valve. So I've got gauges, I've got a map sensor, new fuel pump, injectors, downpipe, new radiator, intercooler piping like I said, wastegate, injectors and fittings, just all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I have pretty much everything. Tomorrow I'm gonna pick up my my new daily, which is gonna be late 90s Ford Expedition. So shout out to you, Matt. Thank you for hooking me up with that. I do appreciate it. And so the second that my new daily is in my hands tomorrow, I'm gonna pull the Integra in and get to work. So I got a whole bunch of stuff on my table here that I need to clear off and clean, and just kind of get everything prepared for the turbo. I'm not gonna do like a cleaning montage. Nobody's interested in that. But the next time I check in with you guys, it'll be looking better. Let's get to it. Getting there, y'all. So it's not perfectly clean, but this is where I'm leaving off for the day. Been at it a while. So let's take a look at what we got going on over here. Intercooler piping still over there in that box. I'm not gonna move that over here. We got a downpipe turbo, radiator, some window tint, some stuff for the subs. I have two different shifters that I haven't decided whether I'm gonna do the Megan Racing one or the K-tuned. Got some new speakers, got a fan for the radiator. Boy, up here we have a lot of stuff. Gauge pod, map sensor, spark plugs, oil filters, stud kit for the oil pan, manual boost controller, chip burner, headlight restoration kit, some Hunter tuned injectors here, pigtails, fuel pump, stuff for the fuel pump, new seat belt, jumper, some gauges, wideband gauge, new P20, oh well, not a new, but old socketed P28, sandwich adapter, up pipe, and wastegate. Then down here we have lights, but I'm not gonna put those on. Those are just some clear side markers, but I already have some on that I like. The new mirror down there, a bunch of like alignment stuff here. Yeah. So it's like a legit build. So it's like a real thing, you know what I mean? And then also I have a B18 block coming, so that's freaking cool. That will be like a full bottom up build. Yeah, so basically that's what's cracking over the next couple episodes. I'm gonna take my time when I'm filming them, and I really want them to look, you know, super crispy and nice and cinematic. Yeah, nothing much for you today, just kind of going over the plans for the build, letting you guys know, like, the build's here, it's happening, and I'm really stoked about it. Like, it's time. I didn't know it was gonna happen so fast, but yeah. Hope you guys are doing well, and I appreciate every single one of you, and I know this was just a kind of a boring talking video, but I promise the next is gonna be some really nice content of the turbo install and getting that thing going, and then seeing what happens. Hopefully nothing blows up. Whew! Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, it really helps, and give me a thumbs up if you like the content, and stay tuned, because it's coming. It's coming. All right, guys, peace out, Cub Scouts.